Let's learn a new trick. Today I'll show you a cool one. Hold the lighter like me. Put it inside now. Flick it open wide. Let me show you once. Open it. Open and hold it in place. Wrap it around. The big piece holds the base. Stop at the chain link. Use your ring finger. Release the chain link. Hold the link with your fingers. Open your fingers to guide it. Like this, then turn it. If you open too much, it won't fit. Hook it with your pinky. Hold the body with your fingers. Push it up a bit. Then release it outward. Finish the trick. Let's try again. Release the chain link slowly. To close it, it's not that hard. Check out the result. Learn this great technique. Today, I'll show you a special connection. Like me, a master of top-level covers. Stop the power and rely on careful handling. This process has been taught before. You must master the top cover. Be careful not to drop it. After opening, quickly switch to the middle mode and hold the cover in place. Then lock the machine back. The master mode holds the bottom. Try to slide it gently. The master mode pushes it up. At this point, pull it back and release. When releasing, relax for a moment and rely on careful handling. Now use the middle mode and fingers to hold. Just flip it up. The master mode fixes it in place. Complete the final touches, and you'll feel comfortable. See the effect after completion. Lock the machine back. Lock it again. Complete the final touches. Let's learn this cool trick, triple jump. Today, I'll teach you a challenging move. Start with a simple grip. Hold the lighter like this, middle finger on the edge. Flick it open, release the cap. Then use your ring and middle fingers. Clamp the edge, turn the body. Thumb and middle finger fix the butt. Complete the basic move. Master the basic move. Release and let's try again. Now let's do the triple jump. First jump, flip it down. Feel the weight like this. First jump, clamp the cap. When jumping up, clamp it too. Last jump, control the force. Thumb, react quickly. Catch the lighter. Be careful not to drop it. Cover it and you're done. That's how you do it. Now let's see the final. Check the outcome. And that's it. Done. Finished. Complete. Success. You got it. Nice job. That's the end. Master 3 moves. Today I'll teach. Been taught before. Hold the body. Open downwards. Rub to complete. Short fingers. Practice more. Finger force. Press down now. Form this shape. Use finger. Light up machine. Hold body tight. Move to side. Hold with lion. Watch closely. Civilized detail. Easy with practice. You're messy. Let's cherish. Right hand technique. First 2 episodes. introduced a unique method. Today we'll learn another way, because the fan shield is too hard. So we change. This method looks better. First, thumb and index grip the top. Middle finger applies force to flip it open. Quickly flip and open it up. After opening, middle and ring fingers hold the lid. Thumb helps lift the lid. Index and middle fingers release slowly. To this position, middle and ring fingers lift the lid. Thumb and index fix the lid, flip. A continuous motion. Thumb and index flip down and in. Middle finger ignites. Are simultaneous, then flip over. Replace index with thumb, and ring finger completes the move. Let's see the effect. Shin Cyan is very skilled and talented. Improves again. Return the 3 knives to you, a new lock to learn. Today, I'll teach you a very easy to learn trick. Use the large stick and thread to hold the machine cover. Insert your medium stick into the footpad and hold it. Swing the machine downward. After opening, use your medium stick and nameless stick to clamp the footpad. Turn the machine over. At this position, use the large stick and medium stick to fix the machine. Flip it over, still using thread to complete the grind. Very simple, easy to learn, and looks great. Close the lid and let's see the effect afterwards. Let's learn this trick again. Hold the lighter like this. Open the cap. Press the cap down. Release your hand. Use your middle finger. Hook the mechanism with your ring finger. Lift and press. Clamp it with your fingers. Turn it half a circle. Assist with your thumb. Use your middle and index fingers to flip it down. Release your fingers, it's done. Hook it up with my index finger to this position near the thumb. Middle finger pushes to ignite. Many find this part hard to ignite. Let's explain the principle. Middle finger applies force in a curve, completing the ignition, like this. See the effect after practice.